Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing well. Today I'm going to show you something very special in my village. We have a beautiful pond where we catch fish and grow makhana, and we can see there is a brick yard. It is situated nearby home, and we come here to take brick. Now I'm going to show you a beautiful bridge which was made by fish maker. We can see without taking any degree, without any education, farmer can make like that bridge. Just come closer. I'm going to ask a farmer some question.
ठीक है ये ब्रिज
How did you make this bridge?
इसमें से बहुत सा हम लोग का फायदा सरकार से मिलता है इसी ब्रिज के द्वारा
कितना पानी इसमें जाता है?
इसमें पानी
दो
बहुत
बिल्डिंग के
जाता है।
बराबर.
जी जी जी
So we can see.
ये ब्रिज कब से बनाया हुआ है?
इसका 2017 में बना है
2017 में बना है।
This bridge was made in 2017, and as he was saying that इस ब्रिज से हम लोग को बहुत फायदा मिलता है और इस ब्रिज के ऊपर से दो बिल्डिंग के बराबर पानी जाता है. So he was a farmer. He absolutely works hard throughout the day to catch fish. Now I'm going across the bridge. Really, it's not everyone's cup of tea to go over there. Thank God, finally we have reached our destination, and now I'm going to show you our beautiful pond where we catch fish and grow makhana. Let's come with me and go to the pond and see everything. I'm curious to know about the life of farmer and the tools of farmer, how they catch fish, how they survive their lives in this area. Really, it is unsafe area, I think. So, how they live? Could you explain everything?
Definitely, bro. First of all, I would like to see the interesting things that how farmers and how fish maker lives their life with very happily, without any tension and without any source. And now, if you said that this is the place of very worry, and you are worrying, I think, but don't worry.
Yeah,
bro.
yeah.
Very cool. You can definitely leave their place with any tension, and you can, if you want to live, if you want to sleep in this, and if you know about these things, and I would like to say that I feel these things as my home, because I am living in, because I am also a fisher, bro, and I have no any tension. I am living in this area since childhood, because now I would like to see some interesting and some
Come closer, guys. He is going to show everything how farmers survive their lives in this area. No, no.
and bro, as you said that say me some, I would like to I would like to show you some important things of a fisher, that of daily routine, that how do they survive their life with the help of a boat, and with the help of a wind, because
Okay.
they
So
use,
tell me, what is this? I think what is this?
this is the tool that they help to just process the river. Like when they applied this force to the soil, they give the force opposite to the soil, and just both process the river. This is the
वाह
this is the
न्यूटन का नियम
yeah, definitely. If you want to know about Newton's third law, definitely, bro, people always follow the science in their daily life, and definitely you can see. And I'm not telling a lie, because definitely, bro, you can see, as you no just as you just forcing the soil, they give the opposite to the force. This is the Newton's third law.
Okay, so just I'm so confused here, yeah. Because most of the people, when they when they study about science, then they follow, they apply in their daily lives. But farmers have no good education while they are using every law of science. How is possible?
Bro, this is the beauty of farmer. This is the legacy of farmer, how they live their life. Because if you underestimate the farmer, definitely you are going to check the wrong and very wrong tools, because this is the tools that you use every day, each and every single minutes in your life. So,
Okay. So Mr. Haider, could you tell me something about these woods? What's the work of these woods, and why people collected these woods? What was the reason behind it? collect.
Actually, Fisher collected this wood because of they also eat bro, because they are also surviving. So they collect this wood to just cook their fish, and they catch the fire on this wood to just prepare the food. Now I think you understand that they also eat something because they are also human, bro. So they need
Okay,
also
so
some protein.
okay, so don't they have a gas cylinder?
No, definitely. I already told you that they are using the wood. So there is no need of any cylinder, any source of energy, any source of thermal energy, because they are already using they are just breaking the every law of science, not but they're using their real life experience.
Anyway, the price of gas is rising up. So a farmer is working in a perfect way that they don't use gas cylinder like that. They are using natural thing wood, and they prepare their food.
People to ask about the water. If you think about this, that fisher just drink the water of the river, you are very wrong person.
I was thinking like that.
No, bro, you are very in wrong sense. They're using the river. They're using the water of a good people, and without any iron, without the soft drink. The soft drink water. You can use this water to Bisleri,
Okay,
and
so
you can find the purities of water.
so they don't need to purify the water.
This is already pure water.
Okay. Okay, so finally I got that how people drink water over there. So now over here. So now tell me that how people survives their life. I mean, what is where is their.
I am very sure that now you are affaring that how they live. But when I will show the things how they lives, the pure form of sofa you can find on these things. They are using the real paddy. Paddy means dhan. Understand? I think you would understand because every viewers are from India, as I think. Because bro, this is the first time of my vlog, so do not just And after that, I would like to show you that this is the torch that they use to find the fish where he is located, to just attack on. Not attack like this, they are enemy. They just want to just survive. So they need some things, bro, and they are just dependent on the fish. So I think they're very important like that. And only the price of this, how can it much?
Maybe it is 10 rupees.
No, bro, it's not. Don't underestimate the power of a fisher.
I think,
it's 100 rupees. If you don't mind, you can just check the store. Definitely, you will be considered.
So now show me like yeah.
Now, after that, I would like to show you the mosquito. They make the full of mosquito, and they have also the source that how to catch the mosquito. After that, this is the pure form of sofa that I have already.
I think
shown you.
these are poal.
Yeah, definitely.
Okay.
These are wall that
Okay.
they use to sleep with, and they are very soft, bro. If you sleep, you can see these are the plastic that the fisher uses to refuse the fog, and how you can understand how they're living their amazing life. And if you don't my village, if you come to my bill, and definitely you enjoy your life with very happiness. Thank you so much.
Now I'm going to show you a very special thing, and I'm really I got confused that to what is this, and Mr. Haider is going to explain this.
Fisher, and a very amazing and fundamental method of catching the fish. And if you go to any fisher, first of all they will tell you about only this method. So this is the basic and fundamental and basic things of catching the fish. And if you want to be a fisher, definitely you will have to apply this method, because without applying this method you can't be a fisher. This is my challenge.
So, Mr. Haider, please clarify what is this? I think this is jangha. I don't know what it's called in English, but I think this is jangha. So please tell me what is the work of this jangha, and why people or fishermen apply these things. And really, this is an amazing thing. So just tell me what's the work of this.
First of all, I would like to appreciate you that you recognize the right name, that is Janga. And after that, if you want to know the uses of Janga, first that when the river is crossing with very high speed, the farmer uses, the fishery uses this Janga to just determine that what part is yours and what part is mine. If you know about these things, the whole part is mine as your eyes is going, and the whole part is theirs as their eyes are going. So if you want to know that how the people and how the people think about this, that the huge part is only mine. first of all, because I am a fisher since my grandparents they are doing the and just what is our just is fish. Without fish we can't live, bro. Just 1 second. We love too much fish. I love you, fish.
Okay, so really, I think he explained everything in a perfect way, and maybe you got everything, and how fisher survive their lives, and how they sleep over here, and how they make food, and how they catch fish. He was explaining everything. So really, I appreciate him that he was explaining everything in a perfect way. And
Beauty of and finally guys, you can see the beauty of my legs that how the birds. And after that only I would like to say one thing, that you can't see only one thing in this lake, that is fish. You can see the different types of birds, different types of flowers, different kinds of jal, means that they uses the source. And after that, if you want to know about this dam, as your eyes is going, this is made by only people, not any machine, not any. They didn't get help of any machine. They just uses their own things like hands and things. And this dam is prepared within 10 years. Now you can understand the power of this dam and the strength of this dam. And since then the dam is working with no any tension, no any worry. And definitely if you want to cross the next tour, definitely you can go also with the four-wheelers and cars and motors, definitely, because we made, bro, we are very confident, because within 10 years we made. So we can definitely explain that how it's too much worth it. And definitely,
okay, so finally you got everything.
finally, I would like to say only one thing. I would like to request you one thing. Please visit please visit my lake. That's name is Baghad Bill. You can search it on anything that will be found on your screen, because it's not a cup of a lake. It's a very a dozen of lake, and very interesting lake. Thank you so much guys for
Okay.
showing the things. Visit and see you on next part.